Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Room Sketch ACANH full guide. First, check your device app store and search for Room Sketch or compatible layout apps, then install the official app. Open the app and create a free account, confirm permissions for photos and storage, and explore template options. Next, prepare screenshots from Animal Crossing New Horizons for import and adjust grid scale to match room dimensions before exporting designs. Download the Room Sketch app from your device app store and install it like any other app. Launch the app and allow permissions for photos and storage so you can import Acnh screenshots. Create a new project, choose a grid size that matches your in-game room, and save your project to the cloud if prompted. Keep the app updated to ensure compatibility with game content and community templates. Capture in-game room images in Animal Crossing New Horizons by entering the room and using the camera to take straight-on screenshots. Import those screenshots into Room Sketch and crop tightly around the room boundaries, then set the grid scale using known furniture sizes for accurate placement. Drag and drop furniture tokens or draw shapes to match item footprints, then fine-tune spacing to replicate the look you want before saving or exporting layouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.